Hey, we'll drill these rivets out. I hate that they use rivets here.
I'm going to look for a really small punch.
It's going slow here, so I don't wreck nothing. Gotta be close. There, she just spun right off like that. Nice and cool.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, when you hit a certain point there, you wouldn't want to be full speed though. You make a big line right across everything. Getting close. Come on. Come on. Any second. And there she is. Nice and easy does it. Get in there and see what the camshaft looks like.
It's a good snap-on one there, so it should be alright.
It's almost too big.
Almost, eh?
Unless I got to,
Just lightly.
yeah, that was lightning. I might have just a little bit of shit left in this hole though. So it was going real easy, so I didn't go in deep. Not sure if the punch is wrong hammer. Don't want rubber. There's you at.
Should be the right size punch.
I was just being cautious. Okay. Now we got two Phillips, and they look corroded, man. They look really corroded. Ooh. Gonna have to whack that with a hammer.
Well, we use the those.
No, let's use a regular screwdriver and give it a good whack.
You don't want to use the impact driver?
No, I find they just rip the fucking guts out of the screw. Every time I've used one of them, I've wrecked the screw where... Bang on this one?
Sure. I'm going to hold the motor.
Yeah, I use a dead blow hammer here. I got a good solid vibration through it.
Are you twisting?
Not yet.
Should twist at the same time you hit.
Yeah, I know. Ow! The head turns on this fucking thing.
I didn't feel a thing.
I'm not using that no more. Head spun around, stuck me right in the thumb. Skin for you on the floor. Fuck. So you get up rusty screws, boys and girls. Nice and rusty. I don't know why I'm throwing it in the box. It's garbage, but I'll throw it in the box. See if I can get my thumb again. Okay. Holy fuck. Number 2 is a success. That one was in there for a little piece of screw that holds hardly nothing. Let her go. Oh, there's the rivets. Yep. So that'll be easy to thread. Ouch, right in the thumb. See, now we gotta unscrew these posts, and then that stator plate comes out. Or not stator plate, timing blade. Pick up blade. Yeah, good size flat.
You want to use that, or you want to use a socket?
Oh, you get something with a nice clean square edge.
There. Yeah, that. Snap-on stuff seems to be the best.
Wow, the other one.
You just can't afford.
The other one looks like it was a chisel.
No, that might have been.
Kinda, at one point. It's gonna be hard to push in and hold. Got it? Well, that wasn't bad. It's a wonder it didn't turn with the screw on the. It would turn a lot fucking harder on the screw. Piece of cake.
I wonder if it had any juice on it.
Well, I think the screw was more rusted to the cover than the threads.
It's been getting condensation.
Now, if we look at this for timing, we can see where the circle of this was. You know what I mean? Because it can slide. Eh?
Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Oh, you want to take out the other one? Go ahead.
Yeah. Now this is the part where we're supposed to grease that line here to get that thing out of there. And take the plug off the end, eh?
Yeah, well, that wire's not going to come all the way out of there. You just fold it open and bend it back, and then see the screw I was telling you about in behind there, right there. Once we get that cap off, we take that cone off. We just leave the wire with everything. You don't need a whole bunch of slack there. There, now we take that screw off.
What is it, 3/8?
Oh, fuck no. You got a quarter out here, right?
There's a quarter there, yeah.
It's definitely not a quarter, but I think it is 5/16.
8mm, so.
Close? Yep. That'll do it. Here, you want to put your quarter back so we don't lose it? A little small socket be gone in no time. Well, you're going to have to hold the pistons. I almost started it. Okay?
Yeah, we don't want it running away, so
Just hold the piston so when I'm turning it doesn't, no, it's going to come up, so hold it down. Oh, fuck, little bolt. Feel how hard I was pushing on that?
it must be Loctite in the hardened bolt.
I was scared I was going to break it. I was scared I was going to break it for a second. Low -9. this one, good like that. There was some little goofball. I shouldn't even have the radio playing. Because my other videos, he put on the thing, he copyrighted it because he said that was a cover of his song. That he was a cover of a song that he did. And I know it's not his cover because it's off the freaking radio. It's a little scammer. Little scammer. Okay. Now we need, where was that Allen key at? Right there. Is that the right size for this?
You need an extension?